If you need to find a tax parcel ID, go to Parcels.Utah.gov. From there, enter the street address, city, or zip code. You will need the house number and street name to find a result. The parcel number is the tax parcel ID, and it is shown on the image of the property. It is also shown in the footer of the website. Then click on the county's website to double check that the owner's information is correct. Each county's website is always more accurate than the Parcels.Utah.gov site, as there is often a delay between when the change is recorded at the county and when the county's information is sent to Parcels.Utah.gov. If there is a discrepancy, please use the information from the county's website.